Seagulls, stop it now. Let's go.
I ate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin, and I peed all in my pants.
Nothing like a little music can't help. Rockin', rockin' and rollin'. Down to the beach I'm strolling. But the seagulls poke at my head. Stop it, not fun. I said seagulls, stop it now. Everyone told me not to stroll on that beach. Said seagulls gonna come, poke me in the coconut, and they did, and they did. Nothing could I do but yell when these birds attacked me. I tried to run, I fell, and these kids started laughing, and then got hit in the neck with a hacky sack. Where'd it come from? Run, 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 jump. Can it be a backpack while you run? Run, run, jump, and stop. Put me down. I love the groove and boogie. Yeah, yeah. Show me some dance moves. If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, I could have outrun those birds. You're a psycho wiener. Let me grab my beater. Stop it, please. Come on, man, quit that banging. And what's that stank? You put a fish in our basket. Yeah, I forgot I did that. You owe an apology. Just hold your breath and see. When the time is right, birds will right your face. Run, 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 jump. I can be a backpack while you run. Drink from a hairy vine. Give me a backpack while you climb. Swing on one hand and lift. This walks with your special gift. Run, 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 jump, now breathe. That's good. Like that. Like that. One day I was walking and I found this big log. Then I rolled the log over and underneath was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a child. Listen, boy, someday when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder. Well, you're lying there screaming, come and help me, please. The seagulls, poke your knees. Stop it now.
Yeah, whatever, you're sort of pitchy. Didn't like it? Listen, man, I'm not your friend. Don't fall asleep.
Don't fall asleep. If you enjoyed, like, share, and subscribe. I don't expect this video to do well, but I had fun doing it. And that's all that matters. Ciao.